You are no ordinary fool. Jorunn knows a kind red spirit when he sees one. You must trod new ground where your feet can stand alone. You are no ordinary fool. Jorunn knows a kind red spirit when he sees one. You must trod new ground where your feet can stand alone. I know just how to make you the sole hero of the day. Time-honored Nord traditions. Fighting, food, foolishness, and fortification. Fun? Close enough. Sometimes Jorunn has trouble wrestling all the great words he knows. When it is Jester's Day, everyone is a child of Skyrim. Any way you can, so long as someone is laughing. Jorunn suggests you prance, dance, and sing before your king. Or do you seek to raise a toast and boast your deeds at my royal roast? You are no ordinary fool. Jorunn knows a kind red spirit when he sees one. You must trod new ground where your feet can stand alone. I know just how to make you the sole hero of the day. Just so. This one is heartsick without his betrothed. What good is all this food and drink without the one you love to pick it from your teeth? But Jorunn is forbidden to see his bride-to-be until the day of our vowels. Free her from her minders, so we may grow fat together. Take a token of my love, the sickly sweet brownish flesh of mud crab apples, and she will know I sent you. The guard cannot know their king bade the absencing of his bride. Use cautiousness. This one's overlarge heart tramples in anticipation of seeing his bride-to-be. Not many have a taste for mud crab apples, but this one knows they are my sweet's favored sweetness. Her minders do not let her indulge in them freely, and it is Jorunn's promise that she will eat as many as she likes when we are married. Have the others filled your head with foibles about this holy day? Enviness leads many to claim they lead the antics. But it was the first man who taught Mayor humor. Or was it that he had the last laugh? No matter. Iskramor did everything first. Do not let this one's joviality deceive you into believing that Jorunn is elsewhere. Before you is the fearsome masher of mare and words you have heard in song and the tiny screams of scared mice. Though the heart of a Sench tiger roars within my chest, this one cannot claim to be one of those noble beasts. Jorunn's habit of lying naked in the sun does not help his case, he knows. But he assures you he is sadly a man.
Ah, you here to enjoy the hilarity provided by that?
A lord offered me something called Giant's Token.
Let's ride. open for business.
Fine goods for sale.
The city of Ebonheart will
There's an urgent task for you.
Hey, where's my pig? Who took my pig? There's the thief.
Hold it,
Give me
sweet.
back my pig.
What audacity!
Here, pig!
What utter gall!
Here,
Go
piggy,
and transgress
pig,
no more.
pig. Piggy? Where did they go? Pigs can't really fly, can they? Anyone seen a suspicious character with a pig? No, not me. Where did they go? Pigs can't fly, can they?
This one's overlarge heart tramples in a... This one's overlarge heart... Oh! You have brought Jorunn his bride-to-be! Or does this one's eyes deceive him? He is very toxicated. Ah, she is tasteful, is she not? I could just eat her up. Much better. Your heroics have stirred my spirits. I must savor these tenderest moments, rare as they are. Now that you have hogged all the glory here, I think we will be taking this party elsewhere. Will you follow our folly of fools down this onerous path? To the afterlife for great rulers! Sovereign Guard! No, wait. That is not it. Volkerguard! Queen Irene wishes to show us true cheeriness! Today has seen enough boorish crime. You've earned your swill, so drink your fill. and leave my bride and I to some private time. It's true her meatiness rivals that of Jorunn, but his only complaint is that his bride-to-be snores so much. She is warm on the cold East March night, and never complains of crumbs in the bed. No other like her within my reach. Today has seen enough boorish crime. You've earned your swill, so drink your fill, and leave my bride and I to some private time.
Emmerich? Oh no. Emmerich? Our quarters are full of bugs. Is this the respect your name commands here? Well, yes, my flower. You see, those were breakfast. You expect me to eat that? The nerve! I thought they were quite good.
What's new?